Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox iPhone 12 Pro Max Graphite color. So it's like a black. This one is 512. So this is the most expensive one. So let's open it. So I'm gonna open it. This is how the box looks like. This is the phone. Comes with a manual, SIM tool, sticker. Just the cable, no earphones, no power adapter. This one is Lightning to USB-C. You need USB-C power adapter. Okay, and the phone. This is the plastic on it. Here's how it looks. Simple. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.